That is the Stewart's experiment. That is the experiment of cellular totipotency. Now let's, what is cell totipotency? It is the capacity of the individual cell. It is the capacity of the individual cell, that is living plant cell, actually single plant cell, that can generate or regenerate into a whole plant. It was first of all, the idea of cellular totipotency was first of all given by a German botanist named Haberland. He was the idea giver, and later the phenomena of cellular totipotency was proved experimentally by the scientist Stewart and his co-workers. The idea was given by the Haberland, and later it was proved by Stewart and his co-workers. Here he used phloem tissues from the roots of carrot. In his experiment, he took the phloem tissue from the carrot root. From the carrot roots, he took the phloem tissue as the explant. And let me tell you that explant is defined as any type of living material which is used in the tissue culture. Okay, and in this experiment he used the coconut milk as his liquid media for providing the required hormones, supplements needed for its growth, as the likewise, and in this case the roots phloem tissue was in the semi-solid medium. It was kept, and first of all rooting appeared, then shooting appeared, and eventually a whole carrot plant was able to regenerate. And in this way the Stewart's experiment has experimentally proved the phenomenon of cellular totipotency, that is a single cell give rise to the whole plant. Now let me tell you some points of that are important for your objective questions. First of all, which of the following is the smallest cell or the smallest prokaryote? Then your answer will be mycoplasma. Likewise, talking about the smallest cell with the cell wall, then your answer will be bacteria. If there is no mentioning of with or without cell wall, in that case your answer will be mycoplasm and without cell wall. And if there is with cell wall, then your answer will be bacteria. And talking about the largest cell, mycoplasma is also known as pleuropneumonia-like organism, PPLOs, that is without cell wall, which is the smallest cell without cell wall. Smallest cell with cell wall is the bacteria. Talking about the largest cell, it is the ostrich egg that is visible to our naked eyes. Likewise, talking about the largest plant cell, it is Acetabularia. Acetabularia is a unicellular uninucleate, and it belongs to the giant green algae whose shape is umbrella-like. It's like this in structure, and as it is umbrella-like, that's why it is also called as the umbrella-shaped algae. It is also known as umbrella-shaped algae. And the largest prokaryotic cell, largest prokaryotic cell, smallest, largest prokaryotic cell is spirillum volutant. Okay, and the longest cell is the nerve cell. And if it is asked as the longest plant cell, that it is the fiber of rami. Scientific name of the plant is Bohemia nivea and the common name is rami. So these are some important points. Let me tell you that the pleuropneumonia like organisms, also known as the PPLO, are known as the, I hope you know this all, joker of the plant kingdom. So this is also another objective question for you guys. Which of the following is known as the joker of the plant kingdom? Then your answer will be PPLO or Mycoplasma, as given in the objective options in their objective question. And let me tell you now about another important thing, that is the prokaryotic cell and the eukaryotic cell. What are the types of cells? We will discuss in our next part. Thank you for watching. You can continue with the next parts of the video for further details about the cell biology topic.